Two text strings are compared in an exact function. If both text strings are exactly same, exact function returns true. If both text strings are not exactly same, exact function returns false. This function has two arguments. In text1 and text2 arguments, type text or select the cell reference that contains text. Click cancel. Activate this cell. Click text arrow button. Click exact function. In text1 box, click this cell reference. Enter comma. Then click this cell reference or text string. You can select second text string in text2 box. Press backspace key. Press tab key. Click this text string. Function returns false. Formula result also shows false. Because these two text strings are not same. Click OK. Paste this formula in other cells. Double click. Activate this cell. Exact function returns true in this cell because two text strings are exactly same. Activate this cell. Function returns false in this cell because in cell reference G10 letter C is uppercase and in cell reference F10 letter C is lowercase. As a result, function returns false because these two text strings are not exactly same. Active cell F11. There is a space between C and AT. As a result, function returns false in this cell. In cell reference F13, the text between cat and dog is AND. In cell reference G13, there is a ampersand sign between cat and dog. So these two text strings are not exactly same. As a result, function returns false in this cell.